Hey guys, this week we left Germany and headed to the Netherlands and finally to Belgium for the second time. We explored the fairy gardens of Feengrotten, travelled the canals in Giethoorn and enjoyed the rest of Belgium like Bruges and Ghent.
Think about a girl all the time. Well. East side to the west side, pushing fat drives, ain't no surprise. She got tricks in her stash, stacking up the cash, quick when it comes to the gas. By no means average, she's on when she's got to have it. Baby, you're a perfect 10, I wanna get in. Let me come in so I can win. I like the way you play.
The ferryman.
Ferryman.
Never pay the ferryman before you get to the other side.
True.
I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up. Bag it up now. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up. Bag it up now. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up. Bag it up now. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up. She's got class and style and balance by the pound. Shorty never act wild, very low-key on her profile. Catching feelings is a no, let me tell you how it goes. Helps the word, spins the verb, loving it, curse so freak what you heard. Rolling with the fatness, you never quite know what the health is. You got to pay to play, just for shorty bang bang to look your way. I like the way you work it, top notch, drum tight every day. You're blowing my mind, baby, in time. Maybe I can get you in my ride. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up. Bag it up now. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up. Bag it up now. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up. Bag it up now. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up. Ayo, 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 ayo. Damn, the girl looks good. Ayo, 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 ayo. Ayo, ayo, ayo. Ayo, 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 ayo. Damn, the girl looks good. Ayo, ayo.
Money?
Real money. That must be some sort of wishing well.
I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunted, looking for a come up. This is freaking awesome. I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunted, looking for a come up. This is freaking awesome. I'm gonna pop some tags. No diggity, I got to bag it up. Bag it up. I'm gonna pop some tags. No diggity, I got to bag it up. Bag it up. I'm gonna pop some tags. No diggity, I got to bag it up. Bag it up.
It's not worth anything.
It's very cool though. It was silver.
Through the darkness, I gotta buy a beating heart. I can't tell where the journey will end, but I know where to start.
They tell me I'm too young to understand. They say I'm caught up in a dream.
So this guy will do anything for something shiny. Shiny thing and it looks like a marble. I bet it's a marble. Mind you, this is outdoor. Your jeans are going to get wet for sure.
I've lost it.
It's gone downstream. No, it's here. It's over here. Absolute garbage. There's heaps. There's another one here. It's nothing. It's like those little rhinestone things that save your jeans, save yourself. Meanwhile, this guy sent me off to go get treasure with no money. Set me up for failure, didn't he? Oh, hello.
That's fine by me.
So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. it's all over. When I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself and I
Didn't know.
Morning everyone, so we're in Giethoorn. We've hired a boat, 20 euros an hour, and we're just travelling through the estuaries or passages or whatever around this village. There's no roads, so no cars, so they all travel by boat, and it's absolutely beautiful.
I tried carrying the weight of the world, but I only have two hands. I hope again.
Watching these Asians behind us hit every wall. Watching. They just went from one side to the other.
When I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself and I
Didn't know I was lost.
I tried carrying the weight of the world, but I only have two hands. I hope I get the chance to travel the world, but I don't have any plans.
Wish that I could stay forever this young, not afraid to close my eyes. Life's a game that's made for everyone, and love is pride.
So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older.
All this time I was finding myself, and I didn't know I was lost.
So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older.
All this time I was finding myself, and I didn't know I was lost.
I didn't know I was lost. I didn't know I was lost. Feel my way through the darkness, guided by a beating heart. I can't tell where the journey will end, but I know
We've just spent the afternoon
where
in
to
Ghent, Belgium.
start.
Beautiful place, beautiful structures, architecture. If you are coming to Ghent, Belgium, and you're looking for a place to stay with a motorhome, we've found this perfect spot just here. There's a shuttle bus that comes every 15 minutes, and everything's completely free. Where we're staying and the shuttle bus free, and it only takes about 15 minutes to get into Ghent, and it's quiet. It's really good. I'll leave the link below.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. All through my city, all through my home. We're flying up no ceiling when we're in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. Feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes up off it, moving so phenomenally. You gon' like the way we rock it, so don't stop. And under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. just imagine, just imagine, just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feeling good, good creeping up on you, so just dance, yeah. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling, so just dance, dance. I can't stop the feeling, so just dance, dance, dance. Oh, it's something magical. It's in the air, it's in my blood, it's rushing on. I don't need no reason, don't need control. I fly so high, no ceiling when I'm in my zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. Feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes up off it, moving so phenomenally. You gon' like the way we rock it, so don't stop. Under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. Just imagine, just imagine, just imagine.
What are you doing? Pivot.
Oh, oh, I can't stop the. I can't stop the.
Hey guys, so we're currently in Bruges. Found these little numbers again. We found them in Ghent. They're an interesting little lolly. They're hard on the outside. Then when you bite inside, you get it nice and
Amazing.
delicious.
I can't stop the. I can't stop the. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feeling good, good creeping up on you, so just dance, yeah. And all those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling, just dance, dance. I can't stop the feeling.
Next week we're heading over the pond to the UK, where we pick up some visitors and house sit our way around the country.
Just dance.